Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to use the Contact Manager inside of the Outlook Anywhere application. You'll see here I've logged into Outlook Anywhere through the campus portal, and you'll see in your navigation pane over here to the left, I've got my different major sections. If I go ahead and click on Contacts, it will show me all the different contacts that are in my personal contact list. Now this is different from the campus global address list. These are the contacts that you're specifically keeping in your copy of Microsoft Outlook. You can see while some people may come from the global address list, you can put anybody you want in here. To create a new contact inside of your contact list, you're going to go ahead and click the drop down arrow to the right of New. And you're going to see you've got a couple of different options here. You can create a contact, or you can create a distribution list by selecting Group. We'll talk about distribution lists a little bit later. I'm going to go ahead and click on Contact, and you're going to see a window opens up. And I'm going to go ahead and drag this up here so we can see it a little bit easier. And I can now begin to fill out the information about this individual. So I'm going to go ahead and say first name is John Smith, and you can enter any of this information you want in. If I go ahead and scroll down, I've got their phone contact information, their email, so I can go ahead and do jsmith@somewhere.com. The display as is going to be the way the email address is displayed. By default, it's going to be the actual email address. But you know, if you enter in a campus contacts email address, how it changes to their exact name. And this is where you can set that up for your personal contacts. So I can go ahead and type in John Smith right there. You've also got room to put in their instant messaging applications, a web page, address information, lots of different contact information here. When you're ready to finish with this, you can simply click Save and Close. And now John Smith has been added to my contacts. So now if I go ahead and go into Mail and say New, when I go ahead and go into or enter an address in there, John Smith will be an option. I'm going to go ahead and click on the To icon right there, and you're going to see, wow, that came up very, very large for me, so I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit smaller. You're going to see that you can choose people out of the global address list, or if you scroll down, you can look at rooms. There's more information right up here. Or underneath My Contacts, there's your contact list. So again, the campus's global address list you can access from right there, whereas your contacts you can access from right here. And here are my different contacts. If I scroll down, there's John Smith, and I can go ahead and select him and then choose to put him into the To, CC, or BCC fields. I'm going to go ahead and click on To, and you'll go ahead and see that email address has been placed in there. Notice that it says John Smith, and then in brackets it has his actual email address. So that display as function is working for us. When I'm ready to finish this, all I've got to do is go back to my email message. I can click it and create a new message to this person right here also. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this by clicking OK. And I'm back in my email message right here. I can go ahead and put a subject in and the body of the message. So that's all there is to creating and using contacts inside of the Outlook Anywhere application.